Welcome back to Recycled and Save. Got a 2002 Kx250 in really nice unmolested shape. It's got an aftermarket seat, and then it's got another one with a gripper cover on it, Moose Racing protectors. Somebody put some newer plastic on it that's all still shiny and nice. Radiators look really clean and decent. Stock OEM pipe doesn't have a ding in it. I can't believe how nice this bike is, how tight it all is. Really in great shape. I was told that it's got about 2 hours on it since the last top end rebuild, and before we part it, I'm hoping it'll have about 4, because I think I need to go take this bike for a ride. Again, 02 Kx250. Really nice, solid 2-stroke bike. Hate to be taking this one apart. It's got the aluminum sprocket there. He put a steel sprocket on it. Not sure what that's about. Everything works good. Everything's tight. Everything's solid. Took it for a nice little test ride. It fired up good. It sounds good. It made good power. Really want to get this one on a track a little bit. If I drop off before I get this running because I dropped the phone or something, remember to look down below and subscribe, see what else we're taking apart. Get a hold of us for parts either here or on our eBay page. Let me get her going. So let us know what you need for your Kx250. A lot of these parts will fit on Kx125. Some of them might even fit on Kx250F. I'm not sure. We'll check into that. But remember, subscribe down below, see what else we're taking apart, see what we can get you for your bike. And thanks for watching Recycled and Save.